Hello. This is not an unboxing since it's already open. And yeah, you can see the album already. This is Twice's 13th mini album. The title is With Yous? With Yous? I think. Uh, uh, this is an album given by my cousin, Ate Pipay. And then, yeah, I'm gonna she gave this to me yesterday. But I'm gonna open it now because I was so busy yesterday. I had a lot of places to go to. Not really not a diehard fan of Twice. I'm more of a Blackpink girly, but this is fine. I'm so grateful. I was so happy when I received this yesterday, and this is my first my first time receiving an album. Yeah, this is my first album. Okay, let's open it now. By the way, hala, ito na guys, ito na. This is it. Oh, it says it has six tracks in it. I Got You, One Spark, Rush. What's this? What's that? I can't read. Blue. Wait. Let's read it to back. New, Bloom, and You Get Me. And then there's a quote here: glowing so bright, our fantasies become a promise. Wow. Our fantasies become, that's deep. What's inside? Oh, it's a bigger one. Okay. This is like that. So it's it's giving Forever by Baby Monster vibes. That's why when I received this, I thought it was a Baby Monster Forever album because it really has the same vibe. Then I look carefully at Twice. Oh, it's Twice. Wow. Twice. Wow. Oh, look at them. They're so gorgeous. Look at them. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this is my first time receiving an album, so naigno ko. Oh, it's Nayeon. It's Nayeon. Yes. Our uni. Yeah. Oh, wait lang. Oh, another Nayeon pictures. Oh. May muntik na lumabas. Yes, another Nayeon picture. I'm doing this slowly. I'm cherishing the moment. Para akong nagvo-vlog. This is not a vlog. This is like for memory keeping only. Junghyun na. Oh, still Nayeon. Wow, ang daming pictures ni Nayeon dito. That's so cool. Oh, Whoa. That's so cool. Anyway, if I'm gonna clean my storage na rin naman, this video will be posted on YouTube because that's where I put my deleted photos and videos. Okay, there's details about each song. Okay, I Got You, lyrics by none of this it is not written by any Twice members. Original publishers. You see? And there's a Nayeon picture on the side. This is so cool. So this is how it feels to get an album. This is so cool. I love it. Oh, it's Junghyun's turn. It's Junghyun's turn. Look at her. I love her hair. It's so gorgeous. She's gorgeous. She's so gorgeous. And I'll send this na lang to Ate Mimi para makita niya reaction ko since she is a Twice fan, and I bet she would be curious on what my reaction is. She's so gorgeous. Slay. Slay. My bias is Gio. My bias is Gio. Because, yes, she's a great performer. But they're all gorgeous. Wow. I actually love their glow-ups. Whoa, look at Jonghyun with the wine glass. This is so aesthetic. What? This is so elegant. This album is so elegant. Oh, it's Momo's turn. Look at her. Look at her. She's so gorgeous. Slay, 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 dancing queen. Oh, another. Oh, Momo again. Yes, 8. This has so wow. This can be a book. It has lots of pages. Oh, one spark's turn. Oh, still not composed by Twice, but it's fine. Look at that. Look at her. She's sipping some wine. It's cool. Oh, may sumisilip. May sumisilip. I can't wait to see what the photo cards are. Sana's turn. May isa pa bang page. I'm so scared. This is like a magazine, but this can also be a book. Book of like their pictures. It's called an album for a reason. Photo album, music album. Yeah. This is so cool. Look at her. She kind of no. I thought she had a similar hair color with Jonghyun. See, they're so gorgeous. Oh, look at her. Look at her. She's on that bed. Yes, it's a bed with what the Filipinos call this unggoy-unggoyan. Yes, with those cards. Ooh, why is she putting the card on her lips though? She's a person, she will not eat it. Oh, look at Sana right here. Yep, still not composed by Twice. I actually would love to see at least one of the members' name on the lyrics by, composed by, but it's fine. I bet they sung it well. Mother Gio! Mother Gio! Look at her! Look at her! Look at her! Look at her! Look at those biceps! Okay. Gotta shut up. I need more of her pictures. Oh, Mother! You're my bias for a reason. Look at her. Look at her. Wow. Wow. This is how it feels like to receive an album. Wow. Okay. 8 minutes na yung video. I have to hurry up. But I actually want to, take this slowly. Wow. She's so beautiful. Wow, look at her. She's like the hostess of a party. And it's giving. Wow, look at her holding some balloon. Right here. Her arm kind of looks dislocated because it's the hand is in a separate page. It's actually funny to look at, but it's fine. Pero siya nabalian. Oh, it's Mina. This is Zaki's bias. Oh, look at her. She's looking at the side. Like, I'm so gorgeous. Slay, mother. Slay, girl. Oh, look at her. This is so slay of them. I love it. I love it. Oh, another one. New. Still not composed by any of the members. Okay, it's fine. At least we have Mina on the side. Look at her arm. Oh! May sumisilip talaga. Oh. Ah, no. I saw a glimpse of the CD, but I shouldn't. No. At the end of the page pa, I'll be looking at the photos first. Wow. 10 minutes. Wait, I'll just cut this off.